Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. In the course of investigation, the committee found that most of the irregularities in securities transactions that took place in 1991 and 1992 had been indulged in by various banks even much earlier. Stop. Certain earlier inspection scrutiny reports of RBI called by the committee revealed various irregularities in securities transactions by various banks. Stop. It is thus evident that many of the irregularities in securities transactions that took place in 1991 and 1992 had been building up since the mid 80s, if not earlier, and could have been minimized if the authorities concerned had heeded to the early warning signals. Stop. The RBI issued several circulars, including the one in July 1991 prohibiting these misdeeds, and yet everything that was sought to be prevented in fact accelerated and assumed uncontrolled dimensions. Stanza. A broad analysis of the information obtained by the committee from various sources reveals that apart from a direct flow of funds to the stock market through sanction of authorized or unauthorized credit facilities to some brokers by some banks by way of overdraft and discounting of bills covering shares and debentures, there had been fraudulent manipulations of the investment portfolio in some banks (start), including their subsidiary financial companies (close), to divert the funds to certain brokers to fuel the unprecedented rise in share prices. Stanza. On the question of exposure, there are varying figures. Stop. Janaki Raman committee speaks of this as rupees 4,000 crores, whereas Central Bureau of Investigation have assessed these at rupees 8,000 crores on the basis of cases registered by them. Stop. In addition, the committee examined the figure provided by the Office of the Custodian, which assessed the amount on the basis of various claims and counterclaims preferred by various aggrieved parties. Stanza. The committee are of the opinion that it is difficult to estimate the huge sums of money which were illegally utilized by various scamsters for their personal gains during this period, because the monies were repaid and the transactions completed. Stop. The monies lost represent the deals which could not be completed because either the monies were swindled or BR Smalls and SGL transfer forms held by banks are of doubtful value. Stop. Further, because of imperfect contracts, it may not be possible to enforce the contract and recover the money. Stanza. The committee did not independently attempt this exercise, as three separate specialist bodies had already attempted it. Stop. The committee are of the view that it is the duty of the Ministry of Finance to undertake this responsibility by either instituting a separate committee for the purpose or through the same committee. Stanza. After examination of the type of transactions by the banks, the committee regret to note that the banks had, in blatant violation of the RBI guidelines relevant thereto, entered into a large number of buyback transactions and indulged in irregularities like misuse of BRs, bankers, checks, etc. Full stop. Over.